Hi, I'm Peter here at Hut 8 in our electronics lab here. We're very excited to show off our brand new Ethereum mining card straight from Nvidia overseas. Time to take a look at what we've got. All right. Let's dig in here. So these are brand new cards here. Nice safe packaging. Pretty simple, robust design. Got some anti-static there. As you can see, most of the card is just a great big heatsink, so allows for passive cooling. Gives you some flexibility on how you want to set up your server. Huge 10.5-inch heatsink on there. These are the new variants on the A100 from Nvidia. This particular unit's the CMP170HX. It is a 170 megahash card, and it consumes only 250 watts. So if you're debating what card to get, well, the 3090 is a far less efficient 350 watt card, which hashes only at 120 megahash. So we're looking at a really efficient card, really the way forward for Ethereum. So to take a closer look here, we've got PCIe connector on the bottom. A100 uses the 4th gen now. As you can see, there's tons of airflow in the heatsink, bi-directional, and your 8-pin power connector on the back there, out of the airflow. Just a really simple, elegant design. All that's left is to take this card, mount it in a server, and connect to the Ethereum network. And to see how Hut 8 is doing with our newest Nvidia cards, follow us on Twitter or online, and we will be putting these brand new cards to the test.